About this item: only compatible with the following Canon cameras: EOS 5D SR, EOS 5DS, EOS 5D Mark IV, EOS 5D Mark III, EOS 5D Mark II, EOS 6D Mark II, EOS 6D, EOS R6, EOS R5, EOS 7D Mark II, EOS 7D, EOS 90D, EOS 80D, EOS 77D, EOS 70D, EOS 60D, Note 1, EOS 60D, EOS 800D, Rebel T7i, EOS 750D, Rebel T6i, KISS X8i, EOS 760D, EOS 700D, EOS 100D, EOS 650D, EOS 600D, Rebel T3i, EOS 550D, EOS 500D, EOS 450D, EOS 400D, EOS 350D, EOS 300D, EOS M, EOS M2, EOS M3, EOS M5 and EOS M6 activates the shutter remotely. Used for a broad range of images, like low light and family portraits. Eliminate vibration and increase image clarity with this wireless remote for Canon cameras. Battery powered, 10-foot range. Note 1, Canon EOS 60D is special designed for astrophotography. It based on the EOS 60D DSLR. The infrared blocking filter in the low-pass filter has been modified to achieve a hydrogen alpha, H-alpha, light transparency approximately 3 times higher than the EOS 60D. As a result, clearer, more crisp images of reddish, diffuse nebulae can be captured.